Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to set out a binomial in an exam style question. So expand in ascending powers of x. Ascending powers just means the x's are going up. Don't worry too much about that. Easy. Right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to identify our a and our b and our n. So the a is 2, and notice that I've put him in a bracket. The b is 3x, and he's going in a bracket as well. And the n is 4. Okay, so I'm going to set mine out going down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the coefficients in first. So notice that it's a 4 to start with, so I'm going to write 4, choose 0, and that sets me off. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go down now in order. 4, choose 1, 4, choose 2, 4, choose 3, and 4, choose 4. So those are all the coefficients gone in. Next up, I'm going to put the a's in. Now notice the a here is a 2. So I'm going to put the 2's in. They're going in with a bracket in here like so. And I'm going to get the power by starting off with a 4. And the a's are going down. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the b's in. Notice the b's were a 3x. So I'm going to put all the 3x's in. Here come all the b's going into place. 3x, 3x. And the b's are starting with a 0, and the b's are going up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's start expanding it out now. So 4, choose 0. If you pop it into your calculator, we'll come out with 1. That's the coefficient. Now we are timesing by 2 to the 4, which is 16, and then we're timesing that by 3x to the 0, and anything to the 0 is 1. So that first term comes to 16. Right, let's do the next one. 4, choose 1. If we pop that into our calculator, will give us 4. 2 cubed will give us 8, and 3x to the power of 1 will give us 3x. So then I'm just going to see 4 times 8 times 3 on my calculator should be 96x. Okay, 4 choose 2 on our calculator will give us 6. 2 squared will give us 4. Now, be careful here. It's 3x all squared, and 3x all squared is 9x squared. And I'm just going to do that. 9 times 4 times 6 on my calculator should give us 216x squared. 4 choose 3 will give us 4. 2 to the 1 will give us 2, and it's 3x all cubed, which is 27x cubed. Okay, 27 times 2 times 4 gives us 216x cubed. 4 choose 4 will give us 1. 2 to the power of 0 will give us 1. Anything to the 0 is 1. And 3x to the power of 4. So 3 to the power of 4, should know that, shouldn't I? It's 81x to the 4. So I reckon that's 81x to the 4. Now it's really important that you write the binomial expansion out at the end. So what we've actually got is, the answer is 16. Sorry, I shouldn't really put an equals in there. Let's get rid of him. So the answer is 16 plus 96x plus 216x squared plus 216x cubed plus 81x to 4. Really important you write it out. Okay, there are 2 for you to have a go at. I want you to have a go and then I'll go through the answers. So pause the video, you guys have a go at the next ones and we'll see how you get on. Okay guys, let's see how you get on. So in here we're going to end up with A is 1, bracket it off. Now the B, be really careful, the B is minus x. Did you spot that? And the N is 7. Okay, we're going to start off then. 7C0, that doesn't look like a C, does it? 7C0, 7C1, 7C2, 7C3, 7C4, 7C5, 7C6, 7C7. Okay, then the A's are going to go in. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. They're starting off with a 7 and they're going down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here come the B's. Minus x, minus x, minus x, minus x. Right, okay, the x's are starting with the 0 and they're going up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here come all my little equal signs. Right, 7C0. 7C0 is 1. I know that from a calculator. Luckily, 1 to the power of 7 is 1. Anything to the 0 is 1, so the first term is 1. Okay, 7C1 is 7. 1 to the power of anything is 1. And minus x times that, minus x to the 1 is minus x. So this term is minus 7x. 7C2, 7C2. Okay, I'm getting 21. 1 to the power of 5 is 1, and minus x squared, be really careful. Minus times a minus is a plus. If your calculator is telling you that minus 2 squared is minus 4, you need to put a bracket in, or just use your brain. Minus x squared will give you positive x squared, so I think that's 21x squared. Okay, 7 choose 3. 7 choose 3 is 35 times 1 to the 4 is 1. Don't know why I'm bracketing that off. And minus x cubed is minus x cubed, isn't it? Minus x all cubed is minus x cubed. So that's giving us minus 35x cubed. 7C4. 7C4 is also 35. So we've done that bit times that bit, which is 1, and minus x to the power of 4 is positive x to the 4, so we're going to get out 35x to the 4. 7C5, 7C5. I would imagine it's 21. There looks like there's a pattern. In fact, that one must be 21. That's 7, and that one's 1, so we can see my nice little pattern arriving. 1 to anything is 1, so those are all 1s. Minus x to the 5 will be minus x to the 5. Minus x to the 6 will be positive x to the 6. Minus x to the 7 will be minus x to the 7. So we're going to end up with minus 21x to the 5, positive 7x to the 6, and negative x to the 7. And we write it all out. Okay, 1 minus 7x plus 21x squared minus 35x cubed plus 35x to the 4 minus 21x to the 5 plus 7x to the 6 minus x to the 7. Bingo. Okay, don't panic, gang, if they've got fractions in them. A is 2, bracket. B is minus x over 2, and n is 4. Okay, off we go. So, 4 choose 0, 4 choose 1, 4 choose 2, 4 choose 3, 4 choose 4. Thank God there's not as many, are there, in this one? Here come the A's. Hello, A's. Hello, A's. Okay, the A's are 4. They're starting with the 4 there. Down, 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 down. Right, and the B's. Here come the B's. Hello, B's. Bzz, 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 bzz. Oh, jokes are bad, eh? Here come the B's. Right, B's 0, 0, 1. The B's are going up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we remember it. Bees go up. Bees fly up in the sky. Buzzy bees fly up in the sky. Right, finally lost it. Okay, here come all my equal signs. 4 choose 0. Let's start with this one then. Let's get another colour. So let's go green. 4 choose 0 is 1. 2 to the 4 is 16. I'm always rubbish at my 2 to the 4. So 2 to the 4 is 16. That's that bit. And minus x to the 2 is 1. Anything to the 0 is 1. So the first term is 16. Okay, 4 choose 1 on your calculator is 4. 2 cubed is 8. And anything to the power of 1 minus x over 2. So I reckon that's going to become minus 16x. Is that right? 8 and 32 divided by 2, yes. Okay, 4 choose 2 is 6. You can do that bit on your calculator. 2 squared is 4. Now, be careful with this. We've got to do minus x over 2 all squared. Right. Minus x over 2 times minus x over 2. If we times that out, we'll end up with a positive x squared. And if we times that out, we'll end up with 4. So I reckon we're getting x squared over 4. Now, beautifully you've got a calculator, so you don't need to worry, but those will cancel, and I reckon we're left with 6x squared. I'm just going to rub him out so I've got a bit of room. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Okay, so carrying on. 4 choose 3 is 4. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. And minus x over 2 cubed will be minus x cubed over 8. And in fact, that will cancel just to give me minus x cubed. The 8 will cancel with the 8 there. 4 choose 4 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. And minus x over 2 all to the 4. Well, minus x to the power of 4 will be positive x to the 4, and 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So I think it's x to the 4 over 16. And then, of course, don't forget we're going to write it all out. So the answer is 16 minus 16x plus 6x squared minus x cubed plus x to the 4 over 16. Ta-da!